First of all, you have to open the Power BI, then click on the report. You have to click on get data, which form of data you want to use. I'm using the Excel file, so I'm clicking on Excel file. I'm choosing this data. The data is loading. Check the file, go into transform data. As you can see that there are many null columns present here. See this null columns. We have to remove this null columns. Click here and click on null. You can see all the null columns are removed. Now you can see there are the names of the columns are column 1 and column 2, column 3. We have to change it by using first raw as a header, and all the names are changed. Then click on close and apply. Data is loading. First of all, you have to change the canvas color. Background, I'm using this lilac color. The transparency should be 0. Now go to data. You can see all the columns here. Go there, choose the graph of your choice. Select any two columns. For graph, I'm using this retailer ID and product name for my graph. You can choose